Oosthuizen uthi angeke bakwazi ukwemukela isiphakamiso seholo esibekwe ezithebeni ngumqashi. Manje ke bazoba nokukhukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka kumenze ukusebenza kuleli.
We regard this 3% as an insult. The PSA already obtained a certificate. We have gone through picketing rules and we are preparing for a full-blown strike on the 10th of November, where we will shut down this entire country.
Nopala jikelele wesaftu uzwelinzima vavi uthi izisebenzi zikahulumeni angeke zemukele noma yini. Uhulumeni useyiphakile impi.
This year it is wanting to give us a 3% when in their own calculation inflation is sitting at 7.4% and will be at 5.1% over the next 3 years. Public sector workers cannot accept anything below the inflation, and so government must prepare for a war.
Episho Eastern Cape izisebenzi zidele esimeni sezulu besingesihle zangenela umbhikisho zithi isiphakamiso sikahulumeni sikuzidelela.
We are here firing a warning shot to the employer to say if whatever is being discussed at national, at PSABC level, if it doesn't come into the favor of the workers, as workers who are prepared to mobilize all the workers in the public sector.
Amalungu ezinyunyana ezehlukene eFree State babhikishe ngaphandle kwehhovisi likamgcini mafa kulesifundazwe.
The insult that the government is giving to us is 3%. It's an insult and should be said, and we should not be afraid to say it. It is important to note that this is not the first time that the government has gone against this weight.
Now you can see that we have started already with the picketing at the provincial treasury, and what will then unfold from here is that we are going, as from tomorrow, to all the institutions in the public sector to make sure that we continue with our picketing to put more pressure on the employer.
Izisebenzi zithi uhulumeni akaqhamuke nokungcono uma kungenjalo zizolivala thaqa lelizweni.